Sankhadingar, and today's video topic is difference between assembler, compiler and interpreter. So we are discuss about what is assembler. Assembler is a language translator and it is used to translate the program assembly language into machine language. This is the middle of high level language and machine language. It is a very close to machine language and this called as low level language. This program of the assembly language is written to specific hardware. Then next point is advantages of assembler. First advantages, it is a very fast translating system software. Then second advantages, it is efficient as the machine language. Then third is developing assemblers for translating easier as compared to compiler and interpreters. Then third is where is important to determine exactly what is going on. Then next point is disadvantages of assembler. First is a low level machine language is difficult to understand and code. It change with the architecture of machines. Then third is it is difficult to debug. And fourth is we have written written different assembly code for 8 bytes, 16 bytes, 32 bytes and 64 bytes machine, which is a tedious task and difficult to maintain. The next point is what is compiler? What is compiler? Compiler is a software that translates the programming language, high level language to machine understandable machine code, because the compiler is a translator. The software work between high level language such as C, C++ to machine code. uh, then next is advantages of compiler. Advantages of compiler. First advantages of compiler. It is a process and executable files that can run without the need of source code. Then second is it is a relatively faster than other language processors. Then third advantages, the machine code is to executable file is a native to the machine, which makes the compiler well optimized and it is secure. Then disadvantages of compiler, debugging is a relatively touch. Then second is it is require a lot of memory for producing an object files. Then next point is what is interpreter. Interpreter is work between source code and machine code. Compiler and interpreter as working almost same, but interpreter is a execution of a uh, program line by line. Interpreter is the translate the high level program into machine code, because interpreter is a translate software. Interpreter scanning time is lower, but the overall execution time is higher. Then advantages of interpreter. First, it is easy to find debug error from the code of program. Then next is as there is no intermediate object code, there is a less memory occupations. Then next advantages is interpreter is a good for faster debugger. Then next point is disadvantages of interpreter. First disadvantages, it is it is take time time of converting the execution of the instruction line by line. Then it is not good for large program. Thank you.